Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Toncoin, and then we'll end it with DOGEcoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. So if you were to look over here, Bitcoin for the past 7 days is green. It's up 10%. 24 hours 0, 1 hour 0. But if you were to shift back towards the weekly, right? Every week we take a look at Bitcoin. It's been good. 1, 2, 3 weeks ago, it was a hammer on the weekly. And then after that, we got a red week. And the week after, which was just the week that we closed, was a green candlestick. So you could see that the close of the green candlestick, right? This big green candlestick engulfs this entire red candlestick. So which means that the bullishness has come back, and more likely than not, the bullishness should be continuing towards the upside. The only thing is that we are waiting for a clearer chart pattern first. We're hoping to get an inverse head and shoulders over here. Left shoulder, head, hopefully a right shoulder though. That's the hope. But the point is, on the smaller time frames, right, on the smaller trend, it's really switching bullish. So more likely than not, more upside. But of course, at the same time, if you were to shift to the monthly, you will see that this is a bearish engulfing candlestick, which means that this red candlestick engulfs this green candlestick. Yo, bro, let's just point it here. Yeah, the red candlestick engulfs the green candlestick. So it's a bearish engulfing. So we are being sandwiched. Bitcoin is actually being sandwiched with selling at the top here and buying at the bottom over here. Right, so how do you invalidate the bearishness? Yeah, you have to close above it. Once you close above it, then that's it. We remain with our bullishness for Bitcoin. But again, even if you were to make any entries for Bitcoin, we will have to wait for a retrace to come on first. Right, so yeah, there you go. That's our take for Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, we are still anticipating the possibility of, not possibly, the eventuality of a Bitcoin heading lower over here. So if and when this happens, this will be the true run coming on for alts, right? We may not come all the way back down though, right? But I'm expecting us to again slice back under the skinny pink line. You'll see that this move towards the upside is different because it's very slow, right? And if you look at it over here, it was fast. Zip up, zip down, zip up, zip up, zip up. This is such a slow crawl towards the upside. And you can see that the volume has already started increasing. So I thought it was raining. So once you see the volume increase, right, this means more likely than not there could be a reversal coming on, right? If you looked at the monthly, right, you can see wicks at the top here. There's some selling here, selling. But again, this is tracking Bitcoin's dominance against everyone else. Sure, we could still go higher. There is no, on the monthly, there's still no sign of a bearishness yet. This was quite obvious. Look at this. This was a bearish engulfing. Any engulfing over here? Nope. Any shooting star? Nope. Could we still go higher? Yep. So yeah, but anyway, we might just do a slightly, marginally higher high, and after that, pump, we come back down. Right. The moment we cross the skinny pink line, that's it. Things are going to start turning really, really bullish potentially for alts. Right. Again, no guarantees. There's just no guarantees in trading. So we'll take things one step at a time for Bitcoin. Ethereum against BTC. Here we are for ETH-BTC. ETH-BTC is still under the skinny pink line. We're about to head towards the noisy area, right? If you were to cut through the wicks here. Do you see this? There's a very clear support line over here. It was a resistance line, but now you're heading towards 0.04, I would say. That would be potentially where Bitcoin could be bouncing back up. So even if you were to head lower, let's just move back to the weekly. Even if you were to head lower, like I suspect that Ethereum's move may only come in the next cycle. Not this cycle, but the next cycle. Right, because we're already crossing the skinny pink line. So I don't really like it. Even if you were to see a rally over here, I suspect that there could be a very long, drawn-out accumulation, right? And if and when the time comes, yeah, Ethereum goes bananas, right? And at this time, if you look over here, it could be 2027. 2027, not 2024. So that's like I was saying, the next cycle, not this cycle. So this cycle might end much earlier than what we expect. So yeah, again, it just doesn't really look that good to me though. It's just that it could be accumulating. But if you look at ETH against USD, right? ETH against USD is clearly above the skinny pink line. We are in a falling channel, so falling channels usually break higher. Falling channels, falling channels usually break higher. So we're also in some sort of a falling channel here. So we're still anticipating the possibility of another dip over here, right? Maybe towards like 2007, around 2007, before a reversal. But if we touch the skinny pink line, that's just not good. But we'll have to see how it goes, right? I kind of like what I see here. I think more likely than not a super spike towards the upside. But you know, it would be great if you could just dip just a little bit more before we hit higher for Ethereum. And if you were to go any higher, I hope that we do break the highs over here and we go into price discovery. But we still have yet to break it. So this could serve as a resistance, right? And to be honest, this could already be the absolute top. And then we could be coming down for a C. Potentially, right? Potentially. So yeah, but I'm still expecting a bounce. Maybe to 2007 and then a strong bounce up. Again, I'm still not entirely sure about this. So yeah, let's just see if it does retrace back down though. So this would be awesome. And after that, yeah, maybe we could take a trade for a strong rally, right? We might not take a trade all the way back up, right? So maybe, you know, at 2007, we could take a ride to somewhere sub 4,000, 3,005 maybe, around there. 3,000, yeah, around 3,005 potentially. So we'll see how it goes. But Ethereum could still go both ways. BNB is still bullish to us. We're still expecting BNB to do well. We're still above the skinny pink line, so which means that the trend is still bullish against BTC. You want to see coins have bullish trends against BTC. You don't want to see bearish trends. You want to see bullish trends against BTC. And Binance is doing pretty well, to be honest. We are above the skinny pink line. Our bias is already bullish for BNB. Now we're in a very deep retrace. I expect a bounce eventually. Could we be sweeping the lows here? Maybe some of these lows before a reversal? Sure, of course. But as it stands, yeah, but BNB is known for shenanigans, right? Look at this. Mountains. Zip a bit lower. Pam, we rose higher. So we might do some tricky tricks as well. Zip a bit low. Pam, we go higher as well. Because for BNB against USDT, it still looks pretty good to us. In the sense that this is look at this. It's a symmetrical triangle. If the preceding trend is bullish, we expect the preceding trend to continue bullishly. We're expecting the subsequent trend to be bullish as well. So yeah, we're expecting to go to about 700 plus though, clearing all the highs over here. Right, we're expecting to maybe rise up a little bit, take a break, have a Kit Kat, and continue higher over here towards our targets at 1240 and 1566, which we acquired way back in March. Today is already the 20th of May. Yes, sir. So we are still sticking to our targets. BNB is still clearly bullish above the skinny pink line on both the USD and BTC pair. So if you got in anywhere here, then yeah, it's great. We're still expecting it to hit towards 1002 and 1566. We could be pushing clear of 2000, potentially, but yeah, more upside for BNB. I don't think BNB is done yet. There could be some tricky tricks over here, to be honest. The wheels could just zip a bit lower, clear all the lows, zip back up. Something like that could happen. So yeah, you gotta be open to that possibility for BNB, right? But again, we're still long-term bullish for BNB. Solana is also pretty bullish to us against BTC. We're clearly above the skinny pink line. We are slowly inching our way back up. If you were to ask me to make a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think we're very close to the end, right? 5, right? I don't know if this is gonna be a head and shoulders though, right? So just a slightly higher high, right? And this whole thing could turn into an ending fifth wave, right? Potentially, but again, we are still not entirely sure. I wouldn't be, going long for Sol BTC, not at this point of time, right? Yeah, no, not for us though, not at this point of time. All right, we're still bullish, sure. We could still go higher, but be careful of things turning bearish at any time, right? Because the highs over here at 0.0046, we're very close to it though, and there's a very noisy area over here, so there's going to be strong resistance at this area. So watch out for that. More upside potentially, but yeah, we could be near the end, right? Sol against USD, again, very close to the highs over here at 256. Could we break past this? Of course, for sure, of course. Are we switching bearish yet? No. Look at the weekly. Right. Nope. Look at the monthly. Is this an engulfing? No, almost, but it's not. So could we still see More highs for Solana, potentially. Could we go into price discovery? Of course. Any chart pattern for us to trade off of? Yeah, no, we don't see it as of now. So yeah, you want to be careful. But all the degen coins that are moving violently are all on Solana's chain. So yeah, it's very active, a very active chain, I would say. XRP. Okay, XRP. I don't know what Brad is doing. Brad. Anyway, XRP is looking pretty bearish to us. Head and shoulders. Yeah, be careful. I've been mentioning this week after week after week after week. It is very bearish. If you look at it on the USD pair, it's also under a skinny pink line, right? And if you look over here, there are two clusters of buys. So the whales might just push the price a bit higher, sweep all of everybody's buy orders over here, and pull the price back down, right? And then potentially XRP could be heading back to the target that we've been anticipating to 16 cents. Right now we're at 51 cents. So be very, 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 very careful, right? Sure, I could be wrong. Things could be rising, sure, of course. But as it stands, it's very bearish to us, right? It was already bearish over here. Sure, there goes some whale shenanigans. But we're getting slapped back down towards the support line. That was a clear support line. And we're getting slapped down, right? Sure, there could be a rally. I suspect even if we were to rally, even if we were to clear the highs over here, we will get slapped back down. More likely than not. And then we could be heading lower towards 16 cents. So yeah, but again, even if we were to drop to 16 cents, right, I think this would be a beautiful gift for us. And then we could make a move for XRP if it drops to 16 cents, right? Potentially. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Toncoin. Ton against BTC. Here we are for Ton. Anti for Ton. Okay, still above the skinny pink line. It's good. It's good. Against BTC. You want to see strength on USD? Is good as well. Ladies and gentlemen, we have completed potentially a valley. We're looking for valley number 2. So where is valley number 2 going to be? Is it here? A cup and handle? And then we break higher? Or are we going to drop a little bit lower? Clear all of the lows over here before going back up. Oh, then we will get an ascending. Oh, this will be even more beautiful. But anyway, for Toncoin, we have a target over here. $13.50, a target which we got way back in March. It's already May, and yeah, again, it's still looking good to us. We're still expecting more upside. Yeah, and we never closed under the open over here. It's all been good, right? Yes, sure, we zip down. Look at this. We swept the lows over here and all the lows over here as well, right? So all of these clusters of cells push the price back up. Yeah, whale shenanigans. Welcome to the world of trading. Look at this. Swept all of the lows. This is just what the whales do. This is what you call a liquidity grab. And then, yeah, now we're here. Again, so that's like I was saying, we could be sweeping the lows over here. Right? Just to sweep these lows and then we come back up. So watch out for that. Watch out for that. I wouldn't be rushing in here. I will wait for it to drop a little bit first. Yeah, before making a move for Toncoin. Toncoin still looks good first. DOGE against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. Dogecoin don't look good against BTC. You want to see strength against BTC, not weakness. We are right on top of the skinny pink line. We've been knocking on it. We zip higher, knock down, up, knock, up, knock, up, knock. Yeah, I think more likely not. We could be clearing the lows over here. Pew. So Dogecoin doesn't look too good against BTC. Against USD. Okay, USD, we're still above the skinny pink line. And yeah, but we could be done with a move lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. We got a hammer over here, up. This could be wave 2, up for 3, 4, 5 potentially. But yeah, for us, I don't think DOGE is a yeah, no, sure. You may argue that this is a consolidation, sure. But we still have our target here at 30 cents. We're at 15 cents. We are still above the skinny pink line on the USD pair, but we're weaker against BTC, you see. So there are many other coins that are, so much more bullish compared to BTC, right? Compared to DOGE as well, much more bullish, right? For example, let's say we look at where was this? Toncoin? Okay, let's look at Toncoin. If you look at Toncoin against DOGE, right, you will see that Toncoin is doing pretty well against DOGE, right? You could do things like this, right? Just take the USD pair of Ton divided by the USD pair of DOGE, and then you see which coin is stronger, and you can decide which coin to be in. And you can see that Toncoin is so much stronger compared to Dogecoin. So the coin to be in is actually Toncoin, not Dogecoin. and Dogecoin is weak, as is evident on the BTC pair, right? If you look at Dogecoin against USD, yeah, look at this, right? Versus Ton, right? If you look at Ton, so much more bullish. So attention should be on Ton, not on Dogecoin, not at this point of time. Eventually, maybe we might see something clearer, but for now, there are only two coins to look at, which is Toncoin and actually Ethereum, to be honest. Two coins, but yeah, if I had to choose one, it would be Toncoin. And BNB, yes, BNB as well. Potentially Ethereum, but Toncoin, BNB looks good. Potentially Ethereum as well. So these are the three coins to be looking at, right? Okay, hope you guys have a great week ahead of you. And if you have yet to check out the comment section and also the top sol meme coins, okay, most of the coins are not doing well at this point of time. We were talking about Binance Cat. Well, Binance Cat is not doing well because we were waiting for that curve to come, and it didn't really come. And so, yeah, it just started dropping. And so, okay, that's it. Game over. Okay, hope you guys have a great week. See you in the next one.